Guys, so I wanted to do a painting this morning, and my oldest decided to start the dishwasher at the same time, so unfortunately you're gonna hear a bit of a hum from the dishwasher. I've coated my canvas with white house paint and Floetrol and whatnot. It's not my usual mix, as I'm just using up stuff that I used for my Ninja Swipe, the video before this. So I had, gosh, a while back done a pour. It was a ring pour, and I usually do straight pours these days, but I'm gonna give this pour a try again. It came out beautifully. It now hangs in a beautiful home in the next town over on the water. So I have Payne's Gray, Metallic Blue by Delta's Ceramicoat. I have some Anthracnone Blue, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. And if I do, because this was not in the original painting, I'll put it right next to the Prussian, the Payne's Gray. This is Artist Loft White with some bright aqua green in there, so it's created this beautiful seafoam color. And I have DecoArt's 24K Gold and my white. I can't even tell you how I really mixed up the white. I just kept adding stuff to it. So unfortunately I don't have it on camera and I can't even tell you what it is. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start layering the cup. We're gonna put a little white in the bottom. And we're gonna go with, I actually need my cheat sheet, so hold on 1 second because I wrote it all down and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my cheat sheet. I had written it all down. So we're gonna start with the white and then, okay. I'm ready to go with the Payne's Gray. I'm gonna put a little Anthracnone Blue there. Next to it. There we go. And then gold. The aqua. And white. And do the metallic blue. The Payne's Gray. I think I'll do a smidge more of the Anthracnone. And the gold. And the white. So now I'm gonna go aqua. Gold, Payne's Gray, oh, where that's coming from, oh, okay, the metallic, white, aqua. I ended at Payne's Gray on the last one, but this is a larger cup. This is 18 ounce. I used a 16 ounce on that cup. So I'm gonna add a little Anthracnone. We're gonna go with some gold and maybe a little aqua. And that'll be it. Now we'll finish with Payne's again. All right, so that's my cup. In the painting that I did this, it was very, it was quite muted and soft, and I'm wondering if I can get the same look again. So we will find out. Okay, and my cup. I hope you guys can see that. It's really pretty. I'm really liking what I see here. So we shall see how this does. So I'm just gonna move it in a circular motion to start. Just letting it kiss the edges. And I'm just gonna let it go over on that one. And I'm gonna bring it back. Bring it off this edge. I'm just gonna rinse my hands off here real quick. Okay. So I'm really liking how it turned out. But I'm loving this area right here. I love it all, but this particular area is so pretty. I can't wait to show you guys. Just not sure what I'm going to do next, if anything. I might, in particular, I don't like jagged lines as much as some artists, but I think I'm all done playing with this one. This is gonna look gorgeous in a gold frame or a white frame, but I think gold will definitely do it, and I'm really excited because I have one and I want to use it. So this is really gonna be nice in the gold frame, as the gold frame will pick up on the other gold in the painting. I really like this corner. I sort of want to move this way. So we're gonna clean this up and then I'm gonna bring you guys in. Okay guys, so here we are. It is gorgeous. I'm absolutely loving this piece, and look at the gold. It has found a place to attach. It is so pretty. And let me show you my favorite part right here. You can't tell, but I'm going to move this way, but I love this piece. I don't know if I'll sell it because that's how much I love it. So I love all these little nooks and crannies, and the blue, the Prussian blue was a nice addition, but I think I'm gonna try this again with just the Payne's gray instead. Here's another angle of that. I love it. It's like an oyster shell. But this piece really, really makes me happy, and I'm elated that it came out the way it did. And I can't wait to do it again in this area. I love it. So, all right guys, that's all for today. Just look at that Payne's gray between the layers. So today was a day for a ring pour. Bye. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a beat. And I hope you guys have a great day. You can connect to me to the social media links in the video description box. I get back to everybody. I respond to every message. You can inquire on sales through there too. So that's about it. Bye.